National Housing Bank came out with a notice yesterday to raise capital norms for housing finance companies. Let's listen in from Yashpal Gupta, who's the MD and CEO of the Repco Home Finance, on how this will affect his company and also the sector on a whole.
NHB has circulated a draft discussion paper among the HFCs, and where they have suggested that the present capital adequacy requirement, which is 12%, will increase gradually by next year from 1% each year, and it will become 15% by 2022. It will mean that some housing finance companies who are having a lower capital adequacy ratio may have a problem. They will have to raise more capital. But for us, that is not an issue because we already have 23%. The second change that NHB has suggested is that the overall borrowing limit will be restricted at 12:1, means of the net worth, the borrowing cannot be more than 12:1. Again, we have a comfort here because our borrowings are less than 7:1. So for us, it's not a problem. But I think for some of the players which are highly leveraged, this will affect their ability to lend, their ability to raise more capital, maybe ROEs will come down. But overall, it was expected after what happened following ILFIs and other cases. So that was expected. Within sectors, there are some companies who would have a problem, who are not adequately capitalized. But at the same time, some other companies who are more capitalized like us will have a problem. So I think overall sector-wise, it will not affect much. Within the sector, it may favor some players and may be negative for some other players.